But I have something interesting to show you. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I just woke up. It's 8 a.m. and I just thought it would be great to take you guys out for a walk to the lake. So let's do that. I don't think I've ever shown you guys a lake before on this channel. I also feel like it's one of the most underrated parts of the entire campus. I'm super excited to show it to you. So, fun fact, the HEC campus used to be in Paris up until I think 1960 something, and that's when they decided that they wanted more space, and so they chose to move to Jouy-en-Josas, and since then the campus has basically been here. Do you hear that waterfall? We're gonna go check it out in a bit. Right, another fun fact. There actually used to be a BBQ pit over here, but they removed it because of the situation this year. And that's also why there's so many picnic benches here, which is pretty cool. Earlier in my first year, I remember we used to like come around here and like have little parties and gatherings and, you know, barbecue stuff. It was pretty great. Alright, let's keep walking, and I'm also going to show you the HEC chateau. And that over there is basically the another fun fact. I think this little hut has probably been here for like more than 90 years. Because it says 1931 on the thing, so I'm assuming that's the case. I actually think that's somebody's house, but I'm not fully sure. There's a lot of things here which are just unexplained, which no one really has an idea of, like why they're there, how long they've been there, what their purpose is. They're just there, and yeah. That over there is the HEC Chateau. It's pretty much just used for executive education students because they pay a lot of money, and yeah, it's not cool if they attend classes in normal classrooms, so they have a chateau. It's also a little fun fact to like tell people that, hey, you know what, I have a chateau on my college campus. I mean, that's a cool gathering space, socially distanced, but I don't know, I just can't help but think that it just looks really funny. It's like 4 benches facing each other. Alright, let's head back towards the lake, and I have something really cool to show you. I think that used to be the old tennis court from like way back when, but I think it's since been closed because there's now a new tennis court. Yeah, I'm not sure what this thing is either. Like I said, there's a lot of things around here which are just unexplained. I'm sure there's an explanation. I'm sure there's a very reasonable explanation. Or it's art. No one even questions it, so it's just there. And we're back to the lake again. So you saw we took like a little bit of a circle. That over there, basically over there, the big tree, that's my favorite tree on campus. Since the first time I came here for summer school, I've just really enjoyed looking at it. It's so huge, it's humongous. It's a sequoia tree from California, and I don't think you get a lot of them around here, and I don't even know for how long it's been here. It's so cool, like, what a big tree. Alright, so we have two options here. We can either go that way, which is over there, or we could go this way. I feel like that way looks a little too boring, so I'm just gonna choose to go here. Also, you can't feel it through the camera, but neither can I through the mask. But the air, it's so fresh. Like, it feels amazing to breathe it. It's honestly, I think it's the best place for confinement. It's a great place to be confined. But I have something interesting to show you. Should I go into the cave? I'm gonna go into the cave. Yeah, I don't know if it's a good idea for me to continue going, but I'm just gonna. Waterfall that we were hearing earlier in the beginning of the video. This one's it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed looking at the lake area and all these little random things and this waterfall and whatnot. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And also consider hitting that subscribe button, because I'm going to be uploading a lot more content just like this. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.